is crazy windy. I have like the wind reduction mic turned on. We'll see how well it does, because it is crazy. Look, my tarp is blown up. Today, look, it's a whistling heron. There's two that hang out here. There's the other one. There's the whistle. Gone over here. They're a bit shy. Today I was going to plant some more seeds, but unless the wind drops, I'm not going to. I'm going to fix this tarp. I'm going to finish this ditch that I wanted to dig, that I wanted to finish yesterday. So I'm going to water my plants. See if I've killed these ants. No. Yesterday I poured boiling water in here in the hope of killing them. I'm not against ants in the garden on principle, but this is such a massive colony. I'm afraid they'll eat all my seeds. Sometimes you see seed cutter ants here with not seed cutter, leaf cutter ants. They make like roads across the grass with all the stuff they're carrying. It's pretty amazing. So yeah, if I plant seeds today, I'm scared they're just going to blow away. The wind really is crazy. So I'm going to keep digging. And laying out paths if I can get more Tosca. And that's it. Now I'm going to focus. I'm going to walk towards these herons, see how close I can get. But they are very shy. I need a telephoto lens. There they go. I was going to go and see the flamingos yesterday, but it didn't happen. Organizational problems. It's hard getting a bunch of people to move. I'll try again today. I was going to lay down some cardboard on the paths today, but it is way too windy. I had to re-anchor those tarps a couple of times. So I've been digging out these ants. I think there are marginally less. I'm using it to fill up armadillo holes. If you notice there's a pause every time I say armadillo holes, it's because my brain goes to say peludo holes. Peludos are what they're called around here. So my brain goes say peludo holes, and I realize no one's going to know what I'm talking about, so it gets switched to armadillo holes. So that's what I've been doing, because the wind just will not stop. Tomorrow is my day off outside, more or less. I'll do some stuff, but not a lot. Then on Monday I'm going to try and finish this channel of irrigation. I'm going to get the pipes in the right order and try and get them sealed together. Put it along there. And then I'm going to start. I need a T-junction here, somewhere around here, so I can water these patches. Then I'm going to have a T-junction here, somewhere around here, so I can have one going this way with irrigation coming off that way and that way. Oh, and I need a T-junction down by the compost, so in the future it can go onto the chickens. That's not an emergency, but if I can do that now, it'll be easier later. See what we can do. I'm going to go in and shelter from this dreadful wind. It really doesn't stop. And that'll be it for the weekend, basically. Well, you're going to have to excuse the wind noise because it's crazy windy. But this morning, I dug a trench, not very wide, not even as wide as my foot. See how the shadow? Maybe 3 or 4 inches wide, a few inches deep. From here along to about here is where I started today. So, that long. And out of that trench, I got that much of the devil root. It is just mind-boggling how much root there can be in such a little space. That's lily of the valley vine, or Pampa lily of the valley. I don't think it's related to regular lily of the valley, but it is the bane of my existence. And then looking around, it is just everywhere. I'm going to have a big problem fighting this stuff. Look, it's just covering everything like some evil alien invader. Keep fighting.